Every now and again you need to clean your boat. We bought Willow back in October and hadn't cleaned her at all, so she was very dirty. Took a little while, but we got her all fixed up. With having wood on the boat, you gotta keep it clean. We did have some moss build up, but nothing some Scotch-Brite couldn't take care of. It's funny the difference between the side that I brushed already and the side that I didn't brush yet. Gets pretty nasty in the wintertime.
There you go, there you can really see the difference. Clean versus not clean. Gross, huh? Gosh, it's a nice day today. It's even a little warm. Perfect Pacific Northwest spring day. What you doing now?
Cleaning the crack so that the caulking will stick.
So far we have cleaned it off with Scotch-Brite, and you picked out all of the old caulking. Now you're cleaning out the crack. What's next?
Next is the caulking.
Cool.
Steph's washing our windows off. You can see all the crap on there that's coming off. They haven't been washing so long. And it's hard to tell on this little screen, but I think you can see the difference. They're a lot cleaner now. They've been needing that severely. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, check out our Patreon page, and check out more videos.